Hey, what's up everybody, my name is Supergeek and today I'm going to show you how you can get that iOS 14 style back tapped shortcut gesture feature on your Android smartphone. So it is an app called TapTap and it's been created by a developer on XDA Developers, and he posted it on the XDA Developers forum and GitHub as well, so you can download it from either website. So all you have to do is just install this app. It's called TapTap. It's in alpha state right now, so it might have some bugs, but it's working fine for me, so I think it will work fine for everyone. So all you have to do is just install it. I have already installed this app, so it shows it right here. So all you have to do is just enable the accessibility option. I have already enabled it, and just jump into the gestures. Device model, this does anything unless you have the supported devices Pixel 3, 4 or 4 XL. So I'm not going to do anything, just go back and go to actions. So here you can set up the actions which will get triggered when you double tap on your smartphone, on the back of your smartphone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this one, and first I'm going to show you how you can add more actions. I'm going to delete all of them. So as you can see, you can add app launch, assistant launch or camera launch. You can also use utilities. So right now it's flashlight. There will be more in the future builds. After that there are actions, shortcut. You can add screenshot shortcut, notifications, quick settings, home, back, network, lock screen. These are really useful actions. After that there is this advanced, which is for advanced users who knows how Tasker works, because this app will have an integration in Tasker. There will be much better usage of this app using Tasker. If you know what Tasker is, then you will know how useful this app is going to be when the Tasker integration will come. So I'm going to demonstrate you how to enable flashlight. So once you added the desired shortcut on this page, all you have to do is just double tap on the back of your phone. I'm going to show you right here. So I'm not tapping on the toggle, I'm tapping on the back of my phone. So as you can see, it works really fine and it triggers the shortcut really precisely. It doesn't backfire or anything. It works really great. Let me show you again. So as you can see, it works really great. So now I'm going to show you how to launch an app. So go to launch an app, and let's say 9GAG. So I'm going to double tap on the back of the phone. So as you can see, the app has been launched. So this is a really cool thing which you can do on your phone. So after actions there is this gates, where you can restrict the use of shortcuts, so it won't trigger the shortcuts every time. So you can disable these when the display is off. You can disable it when your phone is connected to a USB device. You can disable it on call. You can disable it while your phone is charging. So you can add more gates. So there's a camera one too, so you can disable the shortcuts when the camera is running. You can also disable it while you're on the call. You can also use it when you're playing any games. So what you can do is app showing. You can add any game. So if you enable this, the shortcuts will disable, so it won't trigger the whatever shortcut you have assigned to the app while you're playing the game or while you're on that app. To delete that, you can delete it just like that. After that there is this feedback, so it will give you a little bit of feedback when the shortcut has been triggered, so you can enable or disable it. So after that there is this about section where you can see the name of the creator, Kyron Quinn. After that there's this XDA thread, So you can go there and post any help if you want from the developer. After that, there is this GitHub, this PayPal donate link, Twitter link, and the third-party libraries. So as you can see in the top right corner, it's an alpha build, and it might show some bugs on your smartphone according to the model of your smartphone, but either way it's working really fine for me, so I think it should be working fine for you too. So that's it for now guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.